And the point that I'm trying to make here is that differing between Muslims isn't something generally that's going to or should cause splitting in the ummah. People are upon different educational backgrounds, have different understandings, have had different teachers, understood different methodologies. We need to be patient with one another. You have people that know what we don't know, and we know things that people don't know. And this is where we get the whole idea of us working together and coming together as an ummah and not splitting apart and being divided. So